This Century 21 Nachman Realty property video is presented by Faith Turner. Move-in ready ranch in established neighborhood, fresh paint and new flooring throughout, new stainless steel appliances, nice floor plan with 3 bedrooms/1 bath, eat-in kitchen, and spacious living room. Attached garage, screened porch, and large backyard with storage shed. Location offers convenience to interstate, airport, shopping, Williamsburg, and Fort Eustis. For more information, review the details below or contact Faith Turner at 757-424-0202.